Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Bridge Bites. Today we'll be seeing millet cake made with Naturaez millet cake mix. So this comes with a airtight seal cover and it has free measuring cup, Jaggery powder and premix powder. The Jaggery powder is given separately so that we can increase or decrease or even substitute with any other sweetener. So as per instruction, I am greasing 7-inch pan with butter paper. The instructions are given at the back side. Before mixing, we'll preheat our cooker. We'll remove the gasket or rubber which comes with it and close it and preheat for 10 minutes without any whistle. So first, we'll take out the jaggery and add 100 ml of oil. You can even use melted butter for this. If you are making with egg, at this point you can even add egg, and the milk quantity is given at the back side of the package. Whisk jaggery and oil together, then add 200 ml of milk. If you want to try vegan version, you can use any plant-based milk also. Whisk it together until the jaggery gets dissolved. In a sieve, add the premix powder, and mix it together. As this is gluten-free, so there is no worry about cut and fold method or over mixing. So this will be a flowy batter which is absolutely fine. We'll add 15 ml of lemon juice to this. You can even use vinegar and mix well. Transfer it into the tin. Tap it twice or thrice so there are no air bubbles in it. So our preheated cooker is ready. So we'll place the tin into it and close it for 30 to 40 minutes. The flame will be at a lower medium flame. After 35 minutes, you can check the skewer is coming out clean. Take out from the cooker and allow it to cool for 5 minutes and then loosen the sides and transfer it into a cooling rack. You can see the texture that it is soft and moist. You can serve it as it is, or you can even garnish it with chocolate sauce or caramel sauce. Isn't it so easy to make? Even kids can make it all. Garnish it with dry fruits and your simple celebration cake is ready to be served. If you want to buy this product, the link is given below in the description.